Good morning, my lovers. I'm back out on my fields. I'm alone today, so just me. And I'm on a field where I found loads of coins before. And I think I got a coin just here. I couldn't get on with that super fast program, so I changed the settings on the old CTX. See, there it is, look. Edit. And go down here, response. See, it says normal. Now that's a bit quick, all this sort of super fast signals coming out of the ground. It's sort of very jittery. So I put it on long for a while. And at any good signals, it just gives it an extra bit of length to the sound. Right, so if I put it back to normal. Yeah, that's back to normal. So search mode might have it in long, and then filming mode, I'll probably have it this way. Right. Oh, come on. There's me pesky pinpointer. Ah. Oh, it looks really nice. Oh, can I see a bit of dark soil? Methinks I can. Right, there's my pesky pinpointer. Ah. Yeah, it's not out, it's in here. Ah, it's a pesky buckle. Oh, still got a bit of leather on it. Right, off and running. I wouldn't find him much in that field, so I've come back to the field that I was doing with Matt the other day. Well, yesterday. And I've got a signal, and I've dug it out, and I can see some dark soil. I might have a relic. I've just tossed it out. It's over here, I think. Oh, well, I've got some dark soil. Well, I knew it was somewhere. It's the bit of dark soil I was looking at, and it's got a bit of greenness on it. Oh, that is it. Why didn't it... Oh, it's a little tiny... Oh, saying that. What is... Oh, it's a little filter for a pipe filter, I think. So it must be still in here. Somewhere. Oh, where's it to? Where's me pinpointer? Oh, I've knocked it out. Oh, I'll get back to you if I ever find it. Oh, I couldn't find that thing. It just disappeared. Weird. I could see the impression, and I thought it was going to be somewhere close, but it must have just dissolved in the soil or something. Anyway, I got one of Matt's pegs down here. He forgot one, so we're going to see what it is. It's a bit iffy. Yeah, there's something there. God, wouldn't it be good if it turned out to be a hammered coin? Yeah. A hammy. Oh. Yeah, this could be your first hammered coin, Matt, and I'm digging it. Oh, where's that hammered coin? It might be still down there. It's very iffy. Very iffy. Ooh. There it is. There's your first hammered, Matt. Here it comes. That's a rock. Right. And they're getting closer. Oh, there it is. It is. Ooh, it's got gold gilt on it. A bit of gold gilt. Well, it did have. I think it's just come off on my thumb. Right, let's have a closer look. Oh, is it a strap end? It might be an ancient strap end. It might. An ancient relic. Yeah, yeah. It's got those pins, you know, the ancient looking pins. So yeah, this is one of Matt's. You see the 4 holes, and it's got a little. Oh yeah, I think it could be a strap end. Yeah, I might see if I can find a picture, and I'll put a picture up of what I think it might be. Just next to it. Lovely jubbly, what a find, Matt. It's a pity you didn't dig it. Oh, I just dug up one of Matt's ancient relics. I've seen a few more pegs around this field that were his. Let's go and see what they are. Woohoo! Oh, we got another one here. Oh, sounds a bit khaki, Matt. Yeah, it's in there somewhere. Probably going to be a nice hammered coin. Yeah, a nice Elizabeth I shilling or something along those lines. Oh, can't see anything. I say it could well be a hammered coin. Cross your fingers and toes, Matt. Yeah, cross your fingers and toes. Oh, where's it to? Oh, what's that? There it is. And it is a thing. It's a thing. I don't know what sort of a thing. It's whatever one of those is. Oh, it's gone. Oh, I got one of my own here. It's a bit iffy. Yeah, it's in there somewhere. I think it might still be down there. I've got it on long, so that's why it sounds a bit funny. Right. Oh, right there. Oh, where's it gone? Where's my thing gone? Oh, there it is. Could be an ancient relic. Right. Can't see any dark soil. Might be silver. Nope. Right, let's get my pinpointer in there. Oh, there it is. Oh, it might be a bit of an ancient relic. Yeah, it might be a bit of an ancient relic. It might be. What do you reckon that is? Looks vaguely familiar. Right, just check to make sure there's nothing else there. Oh, there is. Right, I'll get back to you when I've dug this out here and we'll see, because that might be part of it. Oh, that was the rest of it. Just a little tiny bit. Whatever that was. Looks a bit thin, that bit though. Oh, oh no, it's gone. Oh, there it is. Whatever that is, some sort of a thing. On to the next. Oh, we got one here. It's a bit iffy looking. Got a lot of dark blobs, but I dug something up yesterday. It gave me a load of dark blobs, and it turned out to be a crushed button. So, but it sounds good. 1221 could be a hoard of hammered coins. Right, let's put it on. It's on long at the moment. Let's put it on normal. Right. Oh. Oh yeah, could be a hoard of hammered coins. Right, it's over there. It's down here somewhere. Got a lot of big dots. I reckon it's cack, personally. Where's it to? Hey? Ah. Right there. It's in my hand, it's in my hand. What's that there? Is that anything? It's a wheel weight. That's why it was giving me cack. Look, 20 grams wheel weight. Had a bit of iron on it. That's why it was giving me an iffy signal. What's that doing here? On to the next. God, I thought this was going to be a moo tube, but it's not. It is not a moo tube. It is a thing. It's got some writing on it. It says, pull to stop. Pull to stop. It's a choke, isn't it? It's a choke off of a lawnmower or something like that. Yeah, pull to stop. I thought this was going to be a pesky moo tube, but it's not. And this is one of the good reasons why you should really dig it all. 1230. Yeah. Yeah, it's giving me 1230 in there. So there's definitely why you should dig it all, you know, good reason. And I think it's a hem weight. It's a hem weight for when ladies back in the day with their big ball gowns didn't want them lifting up in the wind, so they had these little weights that they could sew in. So I'm pretty sure that's a hem weight. Oh, I got a banging one here, look. It's screaming, I'm not even swinging the coil. It's right on the surface. Right, where is it? There she blows. It's popped out. It's one of them. Walker and Sons Limited. John Walker. John Walker. Kilmarnock. Kilmarnock? Yeah, Kilmarnock. John Walker and Sons. Well, Johnny Walker is whiskey. So it must be like, there must have been like a cork in there, but it's all rotted away, look. So it must have been like a whiskey top. Lovely jubbly. Oh, I got a lovely 1 year. Oh, could be silver. Sounds sweet. Oh, is that a coin ball? Oh, something really heavy in here. I can feel the weight of it and it feels really heavy. I might have some sort of an ancient relic. There's the end of it sticking out there, look. Ooh. Is it a spanner? Oh, that's nice. That is very nice. It's a wonder I haven't detected this thing before. How many years I've been doing this field? Wow. It is a spanner. In that, I think I might have dug these before. It's maybe some sort of a water tap. Some sort of a water tappy type spanner. It's got a hole in the end. But wow, look at that. Epic. Little find. That's probably Victorian or Georgian. Yeah, lovely. On to the next. Oh, the pesky sun's going down. Oh, I should have come straight to this field in the first place. Well, I'll do that tomorrow. There's something down there. Now I've got it on the long tone, because on the other one, you know, it's recovery super fast. If you blink, you'll miss it. So I put it on recovery, no, response, that's it, response long, so you get more of a longer tone. Oh, I see something. I got something here, I got a bit of dark soil. Is that it? That's a rock, surely. What's that there? Oh, I thought I had a blinking hammy coin then. But no, it is a mangled button. Yeah, a pretty mangled button. Yeah, response long. That's it, response, not recovery. Complicated, these pesky machines, aren't they? Oh, that's it, me lovers. I'm cream crackered. The sun's down. I got to pack up. It's getting dark. I'm drinking London Pride. I got London Pride here. We've got a bit left in the bottle. Not much. So yeah. Oh, yeah. I found some epic relics. The best relic of the day was found by Matt, and he said, "Oh, I'm too tired to dig that signal." He won't be too tired next time. Oh, lovely sunset. Right, I'm going to take some pictures of this here sunset, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers!